سورة النازعات مكية.
سورة النازعات مكية.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
والنازعات غرقا.
والنازعات غرقا.
والناشطات نشطا.
والناشطات نشطا.
نون مشدد long stretch. والناشطات نشطا.
والناشطات نشطا.
والسابحات سبحا.
والسابحات سبحا.
فالسابقات سبقا.
فالسابقات سبقا.
فالمدبرات أمرا.
فالمدبرات أمرا.
يوم ترجف الراجفة.
يوم ترجف الراجفة.
تتبعها الرادفة.
تتبعها الرادفة.
قلوب يومئذ واجفة.
قلوب يومئذ واجفة.
أبصارها خاشعة.
أبصارها خاشعة.
يقولون أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة.
أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة.
أإذا كنا عظاما نخرة.
أإذا كنا ناخرة.
أإذا كنا عظاما نخرة.
عظاما نخرة.
قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة.
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 قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة. فإنما هي زجرة واحدة. فإذا هم بالساهرة. هل أتاك حديث موسى. إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى. اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى. اذهب إلى فرعون اذهب إلى فرعون
اذهب
إلى
إلى
فرعون
فرعون
إنه طغى
إنه طغى
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 Alhamdulillah. Okay, so now you are raising your hand and I'm taking you one by one. Okay. Oh wow, so quick. Okay, so first is Mahween.
والنازعات غرقا
Very good. Or lower your hand. Okay, Farah.
الناشطات نشطا
Kamil. Kamil.
Okay. We are lost track. Okay. والسابحات صبحا
Nabiha.
فالسابقات سبقا
Aisha Mulan.
فالمغبرات أمرا
Great. 1 minute. Next is Noor.
يوم ترجف الراجفة
Zaina.
تتبعها الرادفة
Very good. Shamil.
قلوب يومئذ واجفة
Rania.
أبصارها خاشعة
Zurais.
يقولون أئنا لمردود في
Lamaduduna.
لمردودون في الحافرة
Hafirah.
في الحافرة
Okay, Rahim.
إذا كنا إذا من نخرة
Iza. It's song. Evolve. Wow, fact.
إذا من نخرة
Good. And is anyone left? All are done. Okay, now raise your hand one more time. Okay. So I shall lower your hand and then hand again. Okay. Yes, Kamil.
قالوا تلك إذا قرة خاسرة
Okay, so take the voice in your nose. You are doing it here. Either.
إذا قرة خاسرة
Very good. Nabiha.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة
Very good. Farah.
فإذا هم بالساهرة
Zina.
هل أتاك حديث موسى
Very good. Noor.
إذ ناداه ربها بالوادي
Rabbuhu.
ربه بالوادي المقدس
Tuwa.
طوى
Wow. Tuwa.
طوى
Good job. Okay. Aisha Mulan.
اذهب اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى
Innahu. Nun mushaddad long straight.
إنه طغى
Very good. Okay, so let's start with a new lesson. But before starting this lesson, I will ask you to explain me the tajweed points in this. Okay, so we will do 2 lines. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so we are going to take 2 lines from here to here, inshallah. Ayat number 22. So please mark somewhere that the lesson is still ayat number 22. So inshallah, it will not skip from the mind. Normally it happens on Mondays. So give me a second. Oops. Okay, so just raise your hand and I'll pick you to tell me the tajweed point. Anyone can take the mic and just explain what you, if I'll give you this ayah, what comes to your mind? What you can explain it to me. So I'll pick random names, okay? Let's just start with Kamil. Yes, Kamil. Hello, Kamil.
Oh, so sorry, my mic wasn't turning on.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Fakul halaka.
I'm not asking to read it. I said just explain me the tajweed points in this ayah.
There's a fat letter.
Qaf, which letter? Qaf?
Qaf at the
Qaf
beginning.
is a fat letter. Good.
Yeah, and the noon, you have to stretch.
Which kind of a stretch is this one?
That's
Is it idgham? Is it gunna? Is it ifa? Is it izhar? What?
it's ikhfa.
It's ikfa. Very good. Okay, so just two answers is okay for me. Okay. So next person is Zurais. Yes, Zurais.
The first
If
two
you
things that came
find
up to me
anything else in this ayah, please raise your hand quickly. Okay. Yes, Zurais.
the first two things that I thought of were the same, but there's a madda on
Madda, where?
on the lam before alif. Before the noon.
Before noon here?
Yeah.
No.
No, before that alif, there's
This one?
yeah.
This one?
No, lam is lam has madda.
This?
Wait, no.
Okay,
Right.
point.
I forgot.
There is
We
no
know.
alif madda
Try
here.
to circle
never
it.
mind.
Yeah,
Not
there is no
madda.
alif madda in this ayah.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, that's what I meant. I forgot what it's called.
Mud?
Yeah, mud.
Yeah,
Mud.
this is mud and we stretch how long?
3
2 fingers. No, 1
3
finger.
fingers. Very good. 2 to 3 fingers. Okay, all right.
2 to 3.
Anyone else who can explain me what is coming in this ayah?
I'm auntie.
Yes, Rahim?
I have to go.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, Farah.
At the end of the ayah, there's a za whistle letter and also stretch because there is a standing fatha on the cap.
Very good. Za is a whistle letter. This is one thing which you need to explain. There is one more thing which you can explain. Just pay good attention. I underline it. Yes, Farah?
Throat letter.
Throat letter. What kind of throat letter is it? This one is middle, bottom, top, lower part, the bottom throat letter. Very good. Okay. So let's move on to the next ayah. Raise your hand and quickly tell me what you can figure out in this ayah. Yes, Rania. Zena, use your mind, okay? I need answers from all of you, okay? Just not 1 and 2%.
So
Yes,
on
Rania.
land there's a standing alif.
What we do when there is a standing alif?
We stretch
We stretch. How long?
1 to 2 fingers.
No, not 2. 1
Alif
finger,
on the
okay?
sheen.
Yeah,
There's
only
also a
1
sheen
finger.
at the end with a
What?
standing alif.
Aisha Mulan?
There's a sheen at the end also with a standing alif.
Yeah, Sheen at the end of the standing. Okay, so I can see
And-
Farah's hand. 1 minute. Farah?
Fat letters ra and kha.
Fat letters are raw and qaf. Very good. Nabina?
Yeah, I was just gonna say how because in this scenario, Ra is in the color green and it has a fatah. We would
Very good. Ra is fat because Ra is, now with kasra. Very good, mashallah. Noor,
From the beginning, since there's a sign on top, you join them.
very good. Because there is a sakin sign, you join them. Very good. And Zurez.
Wait,
They all said what I was going to say.
Okay, all right. Yes,
Can I say
Aisha,
something?
you are saying something?
isn't ha a throat letter?
So ha is a throat letter. Very good. I was thinking the same. Yeah. Zaina, Kamil, Shamil, are you busy somewhere else? No answer.
Okay, so I found a lot, but I don't know. Can I say the same thing someone else said?
Okay, you
The
can
wow
explain
is
this.
also a
You
lip
can
letter.
explain this. Fa is a fat letter, but as well as fa is. Fa
A
is.
fat letter.
Fa is a fat letter, yes, but
Yes.
fa is
and
also.
it's
Nabiha, fa is also
a throat letter.
throat letter. Fa is also a throat letter. Okay, Zina. Okay, let's move on to the next ayah. Okay.
Can I do it?
Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Just raise your hand, I'll pick you, okay? Just
Can I go?
yeah, 1 minute. Let me take it down. Yes. Okay, so just raise your hand and I'll pick you, okay? Zaina, let's start from you. Explain anything, whatever you can figure out in this ayah. From here till here. Quickly.
okay. So first, since Ra is
One answer, anything.
okay, I'm gonna find. Oh yeah. So the ba, the one near the end of the ayah, this one that's a bounce letter. I forgot what the
Qalqala, very good. It's a
Qalqala,
qalqala letter,
and
very
it's
good. That's it. There are so many
Oh.
hand raised, so let me pick others, okay? Kamil,
The raw is fat.
Ra is fat, very good. Aisha Mulan,
Oh, you stretch. The ha is oh, what was I gonna say? A throat letter.
which one? Which ha?
The ha. There's the ha at the beginning
This
after
one?
the ra. Yeah,
What we do?
and there's also another ha.
What is this ha? What do you have
It's a.
for this ha?
I was gonna say it was a throat letter.
This is a throat letter, and you can explain one more thing for this ha. Okay, anyone else? There are so many other things to explain. Harakat, if you find tanween, if you find madda, if you find meen. Yes, Farah?
The fa at the beginning is harakat, and so is the alif, I think.
Very good. Fa in the beginning is harakat. We do not stretch. Anyone else? Anything else? Aisha? Aisha
But
Mulan.
the fa is a lip letter.
Fa is a lip letter. Very good. Fa is a lip letter. Very good. And Suresh?
I'm not sure if it counts, but I think the ayah had like the ayah has a different like letter or something.
Which ayah?
Like the one that your red mark is on.
This
Yeah,
one?
that. Yeah.
No.
That
This
is
something
also
else.
a lip letter.
I will
Fa.
explain you. I will explain you someday why sometime it's for, sometime it's so this, and sometime you see this. So these are different signs, okay? And it tells you where you stop, where you cannot continue, where you can continue, okay? When you are reading the
Wait,
ayah.
I was gonna say ba is a I'm not tongue letter, lip letter.
Ba is a lip letter. Very good.
It's
Ba is
also a
also a lip
qalqala
letter.
letter.
Very good. And what is ya and
Is a
ta?
throat
Is
letter.
it madda? Is it meen? Is it what? Ya and this ta. What is this? Yes, Zurez?
I'm not sure.
It's harkat, okay? And we do not stretch. Al-Arab with fatha, hamza fata'a, ba fataba, ta fatata. This is harkat and we do not stretch.
Wait.
Okay?
Wait, isn't kaf a tongue letter?
This one?
Yeah.
Kaf is a tongue letter, yes. Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's move on to the next ayah. Okay, so quickly raise your hand for this ayah. Okay, so we covered both, okay? Otherwise, it will take long time. Yes, Maween. Maween.
Sorry. The ba is a lip letter.
Ba is a lip letter. Very good. Farah?
Sorry, the ayn at the end of the ayah is a middle throat letter.
Middle throat letter. Very good. Aisha Mulan? Quick, there are so many
Um,
things to explain. Quickly. Yes.
what can I say? The fa is a lip letter.
Fa is a lip letter. Noor?
For the second ayah, the blue letter, it's qalqala.
Very good. Dal. Blue letter is qalqala letter. Very good. Kamil?
The meme is a lip letter.
Is a lip letter. Very good. And there is one more rule which you can explain for this meme. Yes, Zorais?
I'm not sure about the
Ain is a
meme.
throat letter.
Ain is a throat letter. Very good.
The swad and the raw are fat.
Swad
The
and
swad
isra are fat. Very
a
good.
swad and the ayn have standing fatha, and I think the zal is a soft sound.
Za is a soft sound letter. Very good. Okay, anyone else who is left to answer? Yes, Farah? Just lower your hand when you answer, because otherwise I feel like you will have to say something. Yeah.
Wait, is it a raw tongue letter?
No, Ra. Yeah, Ra is a tongue letter, I said. Yeah. Ra is a tongue letter. Okay, Farah? Shamil? Nabiha?
Can I meme mushaddad?
Meme Mushaddad. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. That who is giving this answer? Meme with W sign, it's Meme Mushaddad. Okay, long stretch. Okay, and Nabiha, you have anything to say?
Yeah, the scene is a whistle letter.
Scene is a whistle letter. Very good. Yeah, Shamil.
I was gonna say the scene is a whistle letter.
Oh, okay. We covered everything. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so let's start with the ayah.
The fa is a soft sound letter.
Which one? Oh yeah, very good. Sa is a soft sound letter. Very good, Maun. Yeah, this sa is also a soft sound letter. The dal and the ta soft sound. Very good. Okay, let's start with the ayah. So, Sarah, if I'll send you and Nahyan to a breakout room, you can start practice by your own. Okay? That sounds good. No chatting, no talking. Okay? Just give me a second. Okay, you can join back your class. Like go to Anamanti class. He's not there, but you and Nahyan can practice. Nahyan, join your class. Sarah, join your class. Practice your lesson, okay? Okay, I'll do it. Bismillah. Okay. فَقُلْ هَلْ لَكَ. Unmute your mic.
فَقُلْ هَلْ لَكَ.
فَقُلْ هَلْ لَكَ.
Aqul halak.
Okay, there is one more rule which was left to explain, like when sakin sign and tajweed sign comes together. As I said, we skip sakin sign because this is a weaker sign, and we join the letter with the tajweed sign always. Okay, so this is also one rule which you should keep in mind. Okay, so and I'm not joining this ha with this lam. I'm basically joining this ha with this lam, and I'm skipping this lam from the middle. I'm not reading. Okay. فَقُلْ هَلْ لَكَ.
قل هل لك
فَقُلْ هَلْ لَكَ.
فَقُلْ
هَلْ لَكَ.
هل لك
إِلَى تَزَكَّى.
إلى أن تزكى
فقل هل لك
فقل هل
هل
لك
لك
إلى أن تزكى
إلى أن تزكى
وأهديك
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 إلى
إلى
ربك
ربك
فتغشى
فتغشى
وأهديك إلى ربك فتغشى
وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى.
Okay, I'm breaking it. It's hard for you to read the whole ayah, okay? وأهديك إلى
وأهديك إلى
ربك فتغشى
ربك فتخشى.
and no bouncing on this part because this is not a qalqala letter, okay? ربك فتغشى
ربك
فتخشى
وأهديك
وأهديك
إلى ربك
إلى
إلى ربك
فتغشى
فتخشى.
فأراه الرافع
أراه
آية
آية
الكبرى
كبرى
كبا كالكلا letter كبرى فأراه آية الكبرى
آية الكبرى فأراه
آية الكبرى
آية الكبرى فكذب
وعصى
وعصى
فكذب وعصى ثم Mushadad long stress, soft sound letter, keep your tongue between your teeth when you're reading sa, okay? Thumma Zaina, pay attention and read. Thumma adbara yas'a this is yas'a thumma adbara yas'a okay, one more time. فقل هل لك
فقل هل لك
إلى now just look here. This ila has a mat sign, okay? And this is also ila written here. You can see ila here. What is the difference? This is only one finger stretch because of this standing fatha. But this one is 2 to 3 finger stretch because of this mat. Okay, both are same thing. Only the reading way because of the sign is different. Okay. Ila tazakka. Take the voice in your nose when you are reading it because this is a tazakka. وأهديك إلى ربك فتغشى. Amir, why your mic is mute? Aisha Mulan, mic is mute. فأراه
فأراه
الآية الكبرى
آية
آية الكبرى
آية
كبرى
كبرى
فكذب When you will read
فكذب
this dal, you will keep your tongue between your cheeks, okay? Because this is a soft sound letter. فكذب وعصى
وعصى
ثم
ثم
أدبر يسعى
يسعى.
Alhamdulillah. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. I am just sending you in a breakout room. Practice your lesson. And sorry,